Hi, welcome to the channel. So today I'm taking a ride on Prospect Mountain in Lake George, New York, launching from the South Warren Snowmobile Club parking lot. It's a couple miles through the woods to get to Veterans Memorial Highway, which is this 5.5 mile route that goes up the mountain. Starts off down in Route 9 in Lake George, it goes all the way to the summit, and the summit's about 2,030 feet with great views, probably like 100-mile views of Vermont, New Hampshire, the Adirondacks, and of course Lake George. Absolutely beautiful area. It is closed after November to cars, and you cannot take ATVs up it, but you can go on the snowmobile, you can hike, cross-country ski, walk. It's a really beautiful area. You'll see there's a couple different panoramic vistas, plus the summit, and it's awesome. I took a few different laps around, probably did about 22, 23 miles that day just from going up and down the mountain a few times. Took out the Sidewinder. This is the second time I took out the Sidewinder since getting it, and obviously still breaking it in, keeping it relatively slow. It was pretty slippery and icy. I don't have a studded track, and you'll see that my steering was darting around a little bit. But a little bit of a guided tour for you today, so hopefully you enjoy. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy. Well, this is a perfect straightaway right up the mountain here. You can really open it up if you want. Right before the first panoramic stop, the vista of the lake. I did notice that my front skis were off and were not aligned to my handlebar. That's how they delivered my ski, so unfortunately I had to get that fixed, but one of my buddies helped me and got that all squared away, and now she's running tried and true. But yeah, perfect opportunity to open up on that straightaway in case you're interested. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Yeah, that's fucking beautiful. Wow. Wow. So I'm getting close to the summit at this point. It was, like I said, a beautiful, cold, crisp day, blue skies. You'll see that the road wraps around the very peak observation area. I'll get off the sled and you'll see the views are amazing. You can probably see 100 miles away, and you can see all different states neighboring New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and the various mountain ranges, most of good part of the southern part of Lake George, I should say. And yeah, this is just an amazing spot. I highly encourage, if you've never been to this mountain and you maybe even don't snowmobile, come up in the summer and take a drive up. But if you do snowmobile, make a trip up to this area. I think you'll really enjoy it. Oh my gosh. Wow. 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 Well, thanks again for watching and joining me on this little snowmobile trip on Prospect Mountain in Lake George, New York. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you learned a few things about the mountain and the area. I highly encourage, if you're from New York or surrounding states, make the trip if you haven't already. Check it out. I think you'll really enjoy it. If you want to stretch your trip out, there's a lot of trail systems that you can connect to from this mountain trail system and make it a worthwhile trip. So be safe out there, enjoy the ride, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.